Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepika Brown and title से आपने देख ही लिया होगा. Today we're gonna do a Sarojini haul and I'm super excited. But don't think कि market open है या मैं अभी गई हूँ because I went in the month of like last of Feb or maybe starting of March. Because I was having a training and I got a chance to go to Delhi, and that's how I ended up buying things from Sarojini. So don't think that I went now when the market is open. It's complete lockdown, and stay home, stay safe. So let's get started. The very first thing that I got is this shirt from Sarojini. This is how it looks like, and the shirt is having like pretty detailings. I was looking for this color since long, and then I got my eyes on this shirt and I was like, yes dude, I have to buy it. And you can see that it is having a super dry cut tag and very comfy material, nice material I should say, and I got it for 200. That too, I think he quoted me 350 or something, and then I bargained, my bargain skills, you know, and then I bargained and I got it for 200 rupees. The next thing that I have is also a shirt, however this time it's a denim one. So this is how it looks like. Again a perfect and superb material, and this one I got for 150 rupees and I am loving it. Again a steal. Next I got my hands on this pretty strappy top, and the material is cotton blend. So another tip is that वहाँ पे ना भैया लोग ऐसे गोल गोल चक्कर पे बहुत सारी शॉप्स लगा के रखते हैं. However the prices are fixed, but इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है, just 50 or 100 rupees. The only thing that you girls need to do is you need to dig in, and believe me, you will get a gem for you, and maybe gems if you are going to more shops and you are ready to spend time. And this one I got for 150 rupees. And this is very comfy. I love it. So I would like to share some tips along with you girls. Very first thing is market बहुत crowded होगी, so please plan yourself accordingly. Saturday Sunday बहुत crowded होती है, और क्योंकि weekends हैं, सब लोग का off होता है, so people tend to plan their shopping on those days. So you can plan like Thursday, Friday, ऐसा कुछ भी करके उस दिन भी it will be crowded. However थोड़ा सा कम क्राउड होगा, यू विल बी एबल टू पास. स्टार्टिंग में आई यूज टू गो फॉर सरोजनी, मुझे ऐसा लगता था इस क्राउड में मैं शॉपिंग नहीं कर सकती. सो आई यूज टू गो विद माई फ्रेंड एंड शी यूज टू बी लाइक ऐसा घसीटते हुए मेरे को लेके जाती थी. एंड देन बार बार जाके नाउ आई एम लाइक कंफर्टेबल, आई नो वेयर टू गो, कहाँ से क्या निकालना है. सो इट्स प्रिटी ईजी. You will also get a hang of it once you start shopping from there if you get a chance. And those who don't know where Sarojini is, so it is a flea market in Delhi, and you get export rejected material. There's a myth that we are getting used clothes or something. It's not like that, trust me. I've been shopping from Sarojini since so many years, and you get export rejected material, and clothes are like pretty decent, I would say. Superb है यार. Even I went to Bangkok, I didn't like. I was like, I am missing Sarojini. So the another thing that I got is this top, and this is like Victorian style का top. And the very first time I saw it, I was like, यार ये कैसे छोड़ दिया किसी ने? And then I bought it. So it's a chiffon material, and guess for how much I got it? I got it for 50 rupees only, and I was like, yeah man, give it to me. So the next thing that I got is this long dress. Very pretty dress it is, like blue and white, perfect for vacation and all, or if you are planning to go for a beach place. So the sleeves are 3/4 and we have a V cut neck. Either you can wear a slip, or if you are comfortable wearing it like this, like if you want a deep one, you can wear it like this. And then you have a band, stretchy band that comes on your waist, and then it goes all the way down, and there's a slit over here. So this one I got दो तीन शॉप्स का ना इसे कंबाइन करके एक टीन सा कुछ लगा हुआ है, एंड देयर इज अ प्लेस वेयर एन यू गेट ड्रेसेस, टॉप और प्लाजोज वगैरह, एवरीथिंग. सो आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम देयर. आई थिंक इट्स इंसेंस वाली लाइन में सबसे लास्ट शॉप है, वहाँ पे यू कैन चेक इट आउट. एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 200 rupees. Yeah, he quoted me 500, but then had to bargain in it. I got this denim jacket, very pretty one. It's like washed sort of, and then I will show you the tag. It says Zara Girls, and I got it for I think 150 or 200 rupees. Again from that वो round वाला जो होता है उसमें से. And then क्या कहते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से फिट होता है, and everything is there, and I love it. And in clothing, the last piece that I have is this ribbed high neck top. I really like the color, और ribbed चीज़ें तो आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा इन है. एंड देन दिस आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम अ शॉप जो अंदर कपड़े लगे होते हैं. माई सिस्टर ऑल्सो गॉट फ्यू पीसेस, एंड देन वी गॉट इट फॉर 100 rupees ओनली. सी गाइज, वहाँ पे ना कलर्स का थोड़ा ऐसा लगेगा, दिस टॉप ऐसा लाइवली नहीं लग रहा था वहाँ पे, दो आई न्यू दैट दिस इज माई कलर एंड आई लाइक ब्राइट कलर्स. बट ना बिकॉज ओपन मार्केट है, कुछ चीज़ें डस्ट पकड़ जाती है, सो you need to come home and you need to wash them nicely, sanitize them nicely, and then you will see कि यार इसका कलर इतना अच्छा था. So उसमें ना जान से आ जाती है कपड़ों में, बात ये है. So coming on to jewelry, Sarojini is also famous for jewelry. Like you will get n number of options, that too in very minimal prices. So let me show you. Being a hoop person, you can see now also I'm wearing hoops. So I got these hoops, that's how they are, and I got them for 50 rupees. Fish Point के opposite में there's one भैया जिनकी jewelry, like if you want to go for some funky jewelry or like contemporary sort of, you should check out that shop. Second, I got again earrings. These chunky earrings in gold, like gold sort of thing, and this is from that Big C Lane mein there's a shop for earrings, so I got it from there, and again I got them for 50 rupees. They look stunning. You can pair it with ethnic and tops वगैरह jeans के साथ भी जाता है, like when you have that open hair style you can pair them up. Then आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं ना ये 3-layer necklace type of thing. So I got my hands on ये necklace. So this is how it is. और इसमें छोटे छोटे stars बने हुए हैं. And then I was searching for that lock वाला, but then I didn't got much time क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ गवर्नमेंट का वो लोग आ जाते हैं और then सब shops हटाने लग जाते हैं. It started raining also, so altogether we didn't got much of the opportunities, but जितना भी मिला we grabbed the things we wanted. And at last I want to give you few tips again कि अपना बैग लेके जाना. वहाँ पे सब लोग ऐसे बांध के दे देंगे तो कितने बैग लोगे, एंड देन यू नीड टू सर्च फॉर क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो. सो अपना एक बड़ा सा बैग लेके जाना है जिसमें यू कैन पुट थिंग्स. देन सेकेंड थिंग इज चेंज लेके जाना. अभी तो मतलब ऐसा है कि दे हैव स्टार्टेड एक्सेप्टिंग दैट पेटीएम और गूगल पे. हाउएवर स्टिल टेक चेंज अलॉन्ग विद यू बिकॉज देयर आर फ्यू शॉप्स वेयर दे डोंट एक्सेप्ट पेटीएम और गूगल पे, एंड देन यू विल एंड अप इन गोइंग हेयर एंड देयर कि क्या करूँ. ATM is there but बहुत लंबी लंबी लाइन होती है, so why to waste time wherein we can utilize that time in exploring things. So change bag, water bottle भी ले ही जाना इतना घूमोगे तो. Then carry your sanitizer and wear mask, and then if you get the opportunity, पता नहीं अब हमें कब opportunity मिलेगी, कब सब कुछ back to normal होगा, क्योंकि अभी फिर से लॉकडाउन लग गया है दिल्ली में. एंड आई थिंक ऑल द सरोजनी लवर्स आर वेटिंग कि कब सरोजनी खुले, कब सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो एंड वी कैन गो बैक टू शॉपिंग. सो टिल देन sit back, relax, stay at home, and if you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and then we'll be coming with part 2 that will be formals that I got from Sarojini. So till then, bye bye.